Solarization is the reversal of tones in an image. So everything that is light will be reversed and it'll look dark and vice versa. If the image is black and white, it'll be pretty simple and obvious to look at because just again, what's black will be white, what's white will be black. I'm going to show you a way to solarize an image using the app Photoshop. And what you're going to do is you're going to open one of your photographs. So you're going to choose Import and Open, Photos. You should have a image to choose from your photos. I'm going to grab Photojournalism Club did a photo shoot the other day, portrait shots. So I'm going to open this image. You can open any image you'd like. So I have my image, and what I'm going to choose is this plus sign on the right side bar, and we're going to choose Adjustment Layer. What it means is that there's going to be a new layer on top of the photograph, and it has adjustments that we're doing to it. In this case, we're going to play with levels. Now, typically, if I wanted to just improve my image's contrast, I could just play with the levels of the image. So the black would increase the shadows, the white would increase the highlights. But this image, the levels are pretty even. I'm going to leave it kind of as it is. What I'm going to change here to make it solarized are the output levels. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip them. I'm going to take the shadow, I'm going to bring it over to the right, and I'm going to take the highlight, bring it to the left, and voila. What we've done is we have just completely reversed our image, and that is what solarization is about. It's about kind of taking your image and turning it into an inverse. You can play with the input levels above now until you get something that you're satisfied with. If you wanted to remove all color, then what we would have to do would be to tap the image, and we would change yeah, they haven't added anything new yet. Let me see, I'm doing this with you, my friends. I would have to add an adjustment layer, and then choose hue saturation. And I could remove the saturation out of it, and then all color will be gone. And now I will have a totally black and white image and it'll look solarized. So that is, my friends, is how you do solarization.